G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to place an image inside a frame. Now, for those who struggle, this is the tutorial for you. So let's get stuck into it. So we'll come over to Elements and I'm going to choose this element. Then what we need to do is again go to Elements and come to Frames. I'm going to choose this frame. So we'll bring that in. Now, what I find works for me when I'm putting images inside a frame, when I'm unsure of how easy it's going to be, is I just drag some guidelines in or rulers in, and what I'll do is I'll place the image sort of where I want it, so the head sticking out and the feet, bring it to front for this purpose, and then slide it in. Now I'll double click on the image and I'll bring it out and I'll position it like so. Then I'll bring these rulers down and I can place it on top of the image frame or on top of the object or person within the frame, within the image. So for this one I'll place it there and then I'll click out of it. Now bring the image in again, remove the background, and all we need to do is line the head up there and the foot up there. Now you'll note I'll just click on the image itself and it brings it into the frame. Alright, so for those who struggle and press the command button and all that sort of stuff, which is another way, so if you click the mouse button, command button, drag it over, you'll see that the image doesn't go inside the frame. But another way of doing it is click outside the actual, or click to the corners of the image frame and drag like so, and that will allow you to maneuver the frame, the image within the frame. So we'll just go ahead and place that on the image in the frame. I think that looks pretty good. We'll just zoom in. Again, just grab the corners of the frame and play around with that like so. What you can do is drop the transparency and you'll see if the image lines up. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So what we'll do is we'll click out of the actual image there, we'll come across to click the image, come across to transparency, increase the transparency, and there you have it. That is a couple of easy ways to put a image over a frame and not have the image go into the frame when you're dragging the image across the frame. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to jump onto my Facebook page, YouTube channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and until next time, have fun with Canva.